Welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. We're going to have a lot of fun talking about green cleaning for your home. How fun to make your own all-natural products and DIY cleaners right there, quick and easy. We're going to go over 3 different recipes. If you're new to green cleaning, you'll have 3 different recipes that you can make right away and get started. Now, for this particular workshop on green cleaning for the holidays, we usually will often do PDFs for the live events that we do, the workshops that we do. This time around, I went ahead and built out an entire little mini course just for you. And we're going to be spending a lot of time inside of this mini course, and it's free for all of our Natural Living Club members. The more connected you are to your space, the more you're just taking time to intentionally, again, bring things into that sanctuary. It just uplifts everything. One of the recipes that we have in this course is called the Baking Soda Deep Cleaning Scrub. We want to kind of go through and show you. We made this in studio to kind of give you a sense of what it's like to make the recipe. So let's go ahead and roll that video. Making this deep cleaning scrub is quick, easy, and way healthier than grabbing a pre-bought cleaner. We start with baking soda, add Castile soap, white vinegar, your essential oils, mix it up, and it's ready to make your counters sparkle. Keep in mind, you might need a little more or less depending on your elevation and consistency of your baking soda. Older baking soda can be harder to work with. This all-natural, toxin-free scrub is safe, effective, and a wonderful alternative to traditional deep cleaners filled with chemicals for your kitchen, bathroom, and shower. We had so much fun making that recipe just to kind of encourage folks that it can be quick and it can be easy. We noticed that it took a lot more Castile soap to get it to the frosting-like consistency that we wanted it to get to. All right, let's do the all-purpose cleaning spray next. I'm going to go ahead and put in my water. I'm going to fill it all the way up. I want to leave room for my essential oils right there. So I'm going to go with 24 drops of my balsam fir, which is gorgeous. All right, 12 drops of our gorgeous bergamot. Now we're going to do our 4 drops of clove bud. Let's go ahead and put in our 20 drops of Douglas fir. Let's go ahead and smell all of the oils together. That is gorgeous. I can't wait to go home and just refresh all of my kitchen counters with this. Let's go ahead and make a foaming hand soap, which is great for this time of year. So this is our foamer. Now, when you're pouring Castile soap, it's kind of like pouring a beer. You want to make sure you hit the side so that you're not frothing and foaming up the Castile soap. Let's go ahead, put this over here. 24 drops of balsam fir. 12 drops of bergamot, and then we're going to do our 4 drops of clove bud, and we're going to put in our 15 drops of black spruce, and then we're going to do our 8 drops of peppermint. There you go. It just creates absolute holiday magic for me. I love it so much. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. The nice thing about these foamers is it just creates a really decadent foam. When you are cleaning with these particular products, it's not only fun to make, it's easy, and your body will thank you. Thank you for being here and taking your time. I can't wait to keep the conversation going inside of the Natural Living Club.